One of the most important launches for the 2025 model year represents a new dome for Carthago's self-sufficiency champion. The Chic E-Line is the jewel in the crown of the Carthago liner class, delivering unrivaled comfort, exclusivity and elegance, as well as a huge amount of space for travellers and their luggage with a large payload. But what's new for the 2025 model year? The new generation Chic E-Line on Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis has a brand new exterior for 2025 with a completely new front-end design and stylish new graphics. This is an evolutionary design which is instantly recognisable as a Carthago, but the new Chic E-Line is also a look into the future with its new contemporary and bold front-end styling. The completely redesigned and visually striking front mask makes an instant impression. The key characteristic is the hexagonal radiator grille, which has been modified to feature 5 striking triple crossbars. It's impossible to miss the bold new C branding in the centre, which replaces the previously more restrained brand insignia. At the sides, the radiator grille merges into the headlight housings containing the LED daytime running lights and exclusive Carthago full LED headlights. The powerful appearance is underlined by design features on the left and right below the headlights, each with 2 integrated crossbars. They make the front appear wider, giving the vehicle real on-road presence. The bumper lip spoilers form a complete unit with the new dynamically shaped trims of the wheel arches. The large windscreen not only provides the best view of the road ahead for safer, more comfortable driving, but the curved windscreen is completely smooth and recessed into the front mask for extra streamlining. It sweeps up into the roof, which also improves aerodynamics. It's framed on the sides by grey A-pillars. Unlike previous models, these pillars now have a strong angular design at their base on the front of the vehicle. They appear to support the headlights at the top and elegantly sweep up into the roof. Combined with the tinted side windows and dark decals, the new generation Chic E-Line on Mercedes-Benz chassis has a modern and cohesive yet powerful appearance reminiscent of the visor on a motorcycle helmet. With its new radiator grille, headlights and new exterior decals featuring a sleek decorative stripe in dark red and anthracite on the side wall, the new design is both stylish and dynamic. Whichever way you look at it, the Chic E-Line is a real feast for the eyes. Available in classic white or silverline metallic paintwork. Another significant improvement for the 2025 model year, and one that cannot be instantly seen, is the improved self-sufficiency of the Chic E-Line range. If you like to go off-grid while on holiday, the new Chic E-Line offers even greater flexibility and independence. The heated double floor has many extra storage compartments with a useful height of up to 70 cm and can be loaded from outside via various secure locker doors like this one. Items can then be unloaded from inside the vehicle thanks to handy access doors in the living area. There's more than enough space for all your holiday luggage, and it's also protected from frost. At the rear, the large garage can accommodate bicycles, e-bikes or even a motor scooter. Inside, the Chic E-Line offers generous living accommodation with an astonishing amount of space, featuring the unique emotional furniture design, a level 2-room concept and generous living area height of 211 cm. You have plenty of room to relax and unwind inside the sumptuous interior. Both the ergonomically designed driver and passenger front seats have retractable armrests and can swivel to face the living area. Above the driver's cabin, you will find the biggest drop-down bed in its class, with a sleeping area of 195 cm by 160 cm. There are also overhead storage cabinets at the sides depending on the model. 2 large panoramic skylights in the suspended roofliner add to the feeling of spaciousness, allowing natural light to illuminate the interior. There's a choice of 2 interior worlds of style. Standard linear tiara is shown here with gloss ivory furniture doors, overhead cabinets feature open shelving with the stylish C branding above the seating area. There's a wide variety of upholstery choices for the new chic E-line. All are highly stain resistant, have excellent anti-fade properties and are hard wearing and easy to look after. Even more exclusive and comfortable than ever, the large round seating area with rotating table and wide seat bench invites you to spend time in the living area. As an optional extra, you can specify a 32-inch LED TV, including quick-up system which hides behind the side seat bench when not in use. Dimmable LED lighting throughout the interior allows you to create just the right ambience. The comfort corner kitchen with elegantly curved worktop which extends into the round bathroom wall is both practical and stylish. Highlights include a slide-out storage cabinet integrated into the round bathroom wall, a designer bar unit with glass set and interior lighting, an optional coffee machine which slides out from the overhead storage cabinet. The sink cover can be used as an additional worktop or chopping board. A gourmet 3-ring gas hob made from stainless steel and cast iron with divided glass cover. A 153-litre fridge with door that opens on both sides and separate freezer compartment. Moving towards the rear, let's take a look at the Comfort luxury bathroom with a completely separable changing room. The space can be partitioned inside the bathroom. You'll find the following luxuries: a solid bathroom door with interior hinges, large domestic style toilet. The sink unit is integrated into a stylish base unit with plenty of storage space and useful shelves. A spa rain shower with roof dome above, including a blackout blind. Headroom beneath the shower is a generous 198 centimetres, and the shower tray insert is removable for easy cleaning. The shower room has a dark granite look with shower walls in a marble design. The corner pillar is illuminated indirectly, and another nice touch is the clothes hooks shown here. The chic E-line's reputation for comfort and luxury is legendary, and the bedroom of this new generation model certainly delivers on both counts, with lengthways single beds featuring adjustable headrests. Alternatively, this layout features the queen bed design, again with adjustable headrests and storage space below. Both feature high quality 7-zone cold foam mattress with breathable climate quilting. The medically recommended Carl-Heinz sleep system with point elastic underspringing delivers supreme comfort. The headliner design around the bed integrates with the high gloss ivory furniture and features indirect ambient lighting and 4 LED spotlights. Wardrobes beneath the single beds are easily accessible from the front and above thanks to the convenient lift function. The height of these is very generous as they drop down into the double floor storage below. You also have a floor to ceiling wardrobe here. I do hope you have enjoyed this video showcasing the new generation Carthago chic E-line on Mercedes-Benz. Our self-sufficiency champion has been redesigned with a fresh new look and upgraded to offer even greater independence for the 2025 model year. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video reviews, industry news and product information. You can also follow us on Facebook. Goodbye for now, safe travels and happy holidays.